Hello everybody! May 22nd every year is Biodiversity Day. This year we shall be learning about bees. Bees are really important for you, me and the whole planet. They pollinate flowers, which help us to grow fruits and vegetables. In this way, we are participating in biodiversity. Honeybees pollinate all kinds of flowers, including those of fruits and vegetables, and pollination is performed as bees fly from flower to flower gathering nectar. So listen carefully, there's a quiz at the end. What do we know about bees? Have you ever seen a bee? I'm sure you have, and with summer coming, don't leave that ice cream out or anything sugary because you'll find them flying all over it. And what do bees look like? There are different types of bees, but usually they look like something in the picture. What noise does a bee make? Can I hear you make that noise? Do you know any facts about bees? So let's see, what is a bee? Well, bees have 6 legs. They have wings. They are a type of flying insect. Bees are very important as they help to pollinate plants. This helps plants to grow and produce food.
Can you name any other parts of my body?
Different types of bee. Do you know there are over 25,000 different species of bees? Here are just a few of them. Honeybee, leafcutter bee, pharaoh bee, bumblebee, and mason bee. Where do they live? Well, different types of bees like to live in different places. You might find bees living in hollow trees, underground, or even in sand dunes. Some bees like to live inside plant stems or small holes. Some bees like to make their own nest. They might make a nest in a tree, in a garden, or under a roof. Some bees like to build their nests in holes or empty tunnels underground.
Our nests help us to protect our eggs, larvae, and pupa. These will develop into bees.
And what do bees eat? Well, bees like to feed on nectar and pollen. Nectar is a sweet, sugary liquid that bees drink from flowers.
Nectar tastes very sweet. Pollen is often dusty and yellow. It gets stuck to my legs and body.
What is pollination? When bees have finished drinking all of the nectar on one flower, they fly on to the next one. The pollen that was stuck to their legs rubs off onto the next flower. This is called pollination. It helps plants to grow and produce food. Can you see the pollen that is stuck to this bee? How do bees help us? Why are they so important for us? By pollinating lots of different plants, bees help plants and fruits grow. Honeybees also produce lots of honey.
We make honey and store it as food for winter, when there are fewer flowers.
see some facts about bees. Bees have 4 wings. They have 2 wings on each side of their body. They do a woggle dance, though they are not actually dancing, but it is a clever way for them to tell the other bees where to find food. The noise a bee makes comes from its wings. Its wings can move 200 times each second. Let me hear you make that noise. How can we help the bees? Well, you can plant bee-friendly flowers in your garden or other open spaces. Create a bee pond. Bees can't swim and don't like getting their wings wet, but they do need water. Leave a shallow dish of water out for bees so they can drink from it. Or you can build some bee hotels or bee nests. The bug hotel that we have in our yard by the gate, that has lots of small logs with all those kind of holes in them. They are for the bees. Sometimes you can even see a bee flying through them. Now we have 2 activities for you. First, you're going to continue and find out about an Earth Day quiz, which is all about bees. But afterwards, we would like to invite you to design a bee-friendly garden. Enjoy your activities. For the quiz, there are 10 questions. You can write your answers on your whiteboard so that you can see who brought them correct and who didn't. Let's learn more about bees. And remember, I'll be waiting for your designs for the bee-friendly garden. Enjoy your activity and look after those bees.